Hi, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how to change the background of your pictures without Photoshop. Yes, I took that picture from that to this without Photoshop. So hit the subscribe button and let me know in the comments if you want to see more videos like this. So let's get started. This is the picture I'm going to be using. It's stored on my computer and I'm going to be uploading this on a website called remove.bg. remove.bg. I'm going to leave the link in the description box so you can use it as well. This is pretty easy to use. You just upload the image you want to change the background, and in seconds, guys, this website is going to remove the background of your picture. Boom, that's it. That's it. That quick. Now you can leave the picture like so, you can download it like this, or you can add another background if you like. You have different backgrounds on there. You can put yourself on the street, you can put yourself in front of a brick house, you can put yourself on water. I mean, it really just depends on you, but I was just trying to show you that they have different backgrounds. I used the color. Click on color and pick the color you want, and yeah, that's it. That's it. You download and you're good to go. Now, if you just wanted to see how I changed the background of my picture without Photoshop, then there you have it. But if you want to see how I design my thumbnails on Canva, keep watching. I use canva.com to design my YouTube thumbnails, and what I do is I use the YouTube thumbnail templates on Canva. I'm going to be doing this from scratch, so I'll upload the picture that I just downloaded from remove.bg. So click upload image, and I'm going to be uploading from my device.
It's not a game, it's a rich thing.
Now make sure you just adjust this to fit properly, and I'm dragging this down so that my head is not completely chopped off from the picture. This design was pretty easy to do. I just used text and I used the YouTube logo. So I'm going to be typing in the text. Don't make these mistakes on YouTube. The video is already up, so check it out. I'm going to link it in the description box as well. So I just typed that and I'm going to be looking for the YouTube logo. Now to look for that, I clicked on Elements, search for YouTube, and I'm using that YouTube logo for this design. And right now I'm just doing my adjustments. I have to adjust this in a way that it fits into my palm, and I'm going to be adjusting the text as well. I'll change the font for the text because I like to use a particular font for all my YouTube thumbnails. So that's really it. Designing with Canva is pretty easy. You do not need top-notch editing skills or designing skills to design with Canva. It's pretty easy. Just keep adjusting until you feel satisfied with your design and download it. See, that's it. Easy peasy, okay? If you like this video, let me know in the comments. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.